Dear students, see the next question from Unit and Measurement chapter, Ncert exercise problem, addition problem 2.30. Okay, see the question. A sonar, so that expansion is given, abbreviation sonar, that is sound, navigation and ranging. Okay, the SO எடுத்துப்பாங்க SONAR, sonar, sound, navigation and ranging. Okay, uses ultrasonic waves to detect and locate the object under the water. Okay, actually sonar அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு டிவைஸ். ஓகே, இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இதுதான் ஒரு சிப்புன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். இது சோனார் டிவைஸ். ஓகே, சோனார் டிவைஸ். ஸோ சோனார் டிவைஸோட பர்பஸ், சே ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் it is under the sea. Okay, okay, it is a surface, the ground, so water bodies. Okay, now it's a sonar. The sonar now acting as a probe. Actually this is acting as transmitter as well as a receiver. Say for example, if any metal or any object is here, we want to find this object, so we can send the sonar and it will be returned back and received by the same thing. Okay, it is acting as transmitter as well as receiver. So the distance, it's a d plus d, that is a 2d distance. So we know that velocity is equal to total distance divided by time. So the distance is equal to velocity into time divided by 2. So this is the formula to find the distance between that object from us. Okay, so in between gap the many objects will be cross and something. Okay, so it will be we can monitor by using the monitor. Okay, so about this you will be going to study in higher classes. Okay, not now. Okay, right. So this is the idea about the sonar. Okay, so the sonar mostly they are using in the Second World War time. Okay, not only in the Second World War time, nowadays also they are using. Okay, if you are, which is useful to find any submarine something. So see that. So in a submarine equipped with the sonar, the time delay between the generation of the probe wave, that means it's a transmitting wave. Okay, and then the reception echo, that is a receiving signal. Okay, so after reflection from the enemy submarine. Okay, see that the same concept. Say for example, this is our tank. Okay, so it is a water surface, this is under the water, it's underwater. Okay, say for example, this is our sonar equipment, or otherwise this is our submarine. Okay, it's a sonar equipment. In this opposite enemy team submarine. Okay, opposite enemy team submarine. Okay, it is in this direction. Okay, now we can send the sonar. Okay, the sonar traveling here, then after hit on the target, that means enemy, then it will be returned back. So for understanding purpose, I can send like this. Okay, it will be returned back like this. So the same idea only. So we are going to use the formula, that is a distance is equal to Vt divided by 2. Okay, that's all. This is the logic. Okay, now here the proof wave. So proof wave is nothing but in the hospital they using the ultra scan for ultra scan they are using one probe. Okay, they keep on the stomach. So this is actually ultrasound producer. Okay, to send the signal as well as receiving signal from the that outer surface of the baby. Okay, so that only probe wave. Okay, right. So now the given data, it's taking the time is 77.0 seconds. That means what here 77.0 is nothing but, so in the end value 0 with the decimal, so you will be taken as significant, so totally 3 significant. Okay, so 77 seconds. So what is the distance of the enemy segment? So the distance only asking. So we found the distance. Yes, now I am going to calculate. So the distance is equal to velocity. So what is the speed of this sound value given in water? Okay, actually the speed of sound value when the density of the material is increasing, sound speed will be increasing. So that is you studied in Roy standard. In air, in air 330 to 340 meter per second in air. But in the case of water, 1450 meter per second. So that is the speed. Then into taking time is 77 seconds and divide by 2. Okay, so I can write that d is equal to, this is 725 into 77, so it's a one time, here 725 times. Okay, so this value already calculated, so 55825. So d is equal to 55825 meters, so this much distance. Okay, so therefore d is equal to 55.8 1, 2, 3. So into 10 power 3 meter. So distance is, because here the 3 significant. So 57.8 kilometer. So now we can calculate the distance between our position to that enemy's submarine. Distance is that is 55.8 kilometer. By using the sonar, it is possible to find. Okay, thank you.